What's up, gentlemen? Today, a little denim wearing tutorial. I'm showing you how to properly elevate the aesthetic by dressing up your favorite jeans. So as you know, all jeans were not created equal. They come in different colors, different fits, different fabrics. But the ones that you should definitely stay away from in terms of dressing up, overly distressed denim. This is impossible to dress up. Overly loose or baggy jeans also don't look great dressed up. Another one that you should avoid is raw or salvaged denim. It's too rigid of a fabric in order to actually look proper when you're dressing it up and looking smooth and sexy. Casual jeans are amazing with sneakers or with boots or more casual footwear, but you should never try to actually elevate the aesthetic, all right? Now, jeans that you can dress up, right here. The simple, dark wash, non-distressed jean, in my opinion, is the dressiest of jean options. Gray jeans also look amazing when dressed up as long as the fit is right and there isn't a bunch of whiskering or distressing. All right, another great option, all right? A little bit more casual, all right? The indigo color is a little bit softer, a little bit more playful, but you can also dress this up because the color is consistent and you don't have a lot of distressing. White jeans, yes please, absolutely can be dressed up in the summertime, all right? Spring and summer, you can rock the white denim. Winter, fall, you should avoid these, all right? If you want to combine it with a crisp white polo or a white button-up shirt, maybe a navy blazer, some loafers, or some cool minimal sneaks, gentlemen, absolutely able to dress up white. And another pair is black. Black denim also can be dressed up. You just got to make sure you dress it up properly. In terms of denim fit, guys, that can be dressed up, you want to go with something that is a slim fit or a straight fit. You don't want it to be too big or baggy. You also don't want it to be skin tight. You want to make sure that the length is the proper length for you, all right? Which means there's not a lot of bunching or puddling down by the ankle. You want to make sure that jean fits you perfectly. And your booty better be banging, gentlemen. No sagging pants. It is literally impossible to dress up sagging pants. Get them up. The jeans need to fit you perfectly. All right, not too tight, not too big, not too long, just right. Now, once you got the right jeans, gentlemen, now it's all about picking out the other pieces, which isn't that complicated. Check it out, guys. Simple, quick, easy way to dress up denim in a casual setting, right? You got sneaks, you got denim, you got t-shirt, and I threw on a suede bomber. Any type of suede jacket, in my opinion, is a great way to instantly elevate the level of dress with your denim. Second option is to throw on some nice jacket or outerwear, right? Whether or not it's a top coat, a driving jacket, or some type of pea coat. It's a great way to elevate the aesthetic of jeans, all right? Even a navy pea coat, like, instantly dresses up the jeans. And the whole idea is that if you're wearing a little bit more of a casual look, all right, by throwing on a nicer jacket, it instantly elevates the aesthetic, but still keeps it casual cool. A field jacket is also another great option in order to quickly and simply elevate the aesthetic, but the field jacket is going to be a little bit more casual. Now, what I would not do with an outfit like this, right, and we're going jeans, sneakers, t-shirt, is throw on a sport coat, all right? A sport coat or a suit jacket looks really bad, in my opinion, when you actually wear it with jeans and sneakers. Now, I'm going to show you some outfits that it actually looks great, but this isn't it. The cardigan sweater also is another great outerwear option to instantly elevate the aesthetic with sneakers, denim, and a simple t-shirt. Now, let's take it next level. So check it out, right? Brown loafers, denim, medium wash, white polo. This polo came from Collars & Co. Guys, I'm going to link to Collars & Co. down below. They are today's video sponsor. I'll tell you a little bit more about them in a second, but their polos are perfect. This is actually the casual polo that they sell, but it's still not like super casual. It's extra sexy. The collar, check it out. A little cutaway collar, right? It doesn't get all crazy or whack. The sleeves are perfect. This is actually one of their cotton polos that I've absolutely fallen in love with. The fit is amazing, guys. There's a link, there's a code down below. If you haven't checked out Collars & Co., now is the time. Anyway, I combined it with a great pair of jeans, threw on my brown loafers. Guys, brown loafers are a must-have if you're trying to dress up jeans. I've got some black shoe outfits a little bit later, but in my opinion, brown works a lot better with denim than black does. Now, I've got some black sexy outfits a little bit later that I'll show you, but all right, in my opinion, brown is a must-have. Anyway, boom, check it out. I threw on a simple, lightweight cardigan over top of the polo. With the jeans, with the loafers, absolute perfection. Blazer sport coat time, gentlemen. This is where so many guys mess it up. A lot of guys like the look, but they don't know how to do it properly. I'm going to show you how to do it, all right? So bottom line, if you are going to be wearing a blazer or a sport coat with your jeans, guys, you got to make sure you're doing it right. Here's how you do it right. nice pair of loafers or shoes. You could go brogues. It's really up to you. The white polo, and then the jeans, and a navy blazer, right? You could go navy, you could go some type of pattern. Do not wear your suit jacket with jeans. I'm just gonna throw it out there because a lot of guys think, oh, I'll just wear it with jeans. Do not do that. And the reason is because it looks like a suit jacket, all right? You want a blazer, you want something that's gonna be a little bit less constructed and more casual in nature, all right? This is the perfect blazer. It's actually called the Maverick blazer. It's also from Collars & Co. I'll link to it down below. This is, in my opinion, perfection because the fabric is super stretchy, and the thing that you're gonna be like, yo, what, seriously? You can wad this thing up, right? You can stick it in your backpack, you pull it out, and it's good as new. It literally has this like crazy technology built into the fabric, which makes it super comfortable, super stretchy, and super freaking perfect in terms of travel or just having with you. It's just the perfect jacket for most guys because literally you can throw it on with jeans and it looks amazing. You could dress it up with a pair of slacks or even some type of chino and it looks incredible. Guys, if you haven't been to Collars & Co., I would highly recommend hitting that link down below. They've got a lot more than just perfect polos. That's how they got their start. All right, if you guys are familiar with Shark Tank, which I definitely am, that's how I first heard about Collars & Co. All right, they were pitching, and Mark Cuban invested like $1 million because he knew that this company solved the problem that so many guys face, and that is having a polo that you could actually properly dress up. Check it out, button-down collar. It's also from Collars & Co., and I combined it with black jeans and black shoes, right? Black loafers. Simple, clean, actually not simple, sexy. Sexy, clean, amazing. Now, a little bit next level, you throw on a camel colored jacket or some cool badass jacket on top, pop the collar, gentlemen, come on. Come on. Guys, hit the link down below. Go check out Collars & Co. If you go through my link, you're going to get a discount. They've got more than just polos, more than just blazers. They've got sweaters, they've got outerwear, they've got button-ups, they've got jackets, they've got pants. Gentlemen, they make amazingly sexy casual clothes. In terms of an aesthetic, I would say it's a cross between like a Suit Supply, a J. Crew, Banana Republic. It is perfect for grown-ass men that don't want to look like little boys. Guys, hit the link down below. Collars & Co. makes amazing clothes, and you are going to look sexy. Sweaters. Gentlemen, we got to talk about sweaters because certain sweaters can elevate the aesthetic of jeans as long as you combine them properly with the right shoes or boots. All right, so for this outfit, went back to my medium wash denim, combined it with a cable knit turtleneck, gentlemen, and then I threw on a pair of black Chelsea boots. Guys, Chelsea boots, the thing that I love so much about them, if they're a dressier Chelsea, they look amazing when combined with denim and instantly elevate the aesthetic. And so if you're thinking, oh, I want to wear boots with my jeans, that's great because boots and jeans go together like Alpha, M, and screaming. They just work because, of course, you think, oh, if I'm going to wear jeans in the winter or fall, I'm going to rock boots. All right, few boots that look amazing, right? You've got your chukkas, suede chukkas, boom, sexy as hell. Suede chukkas are amazing for dressing up jeans. They're still a casual boot, though. The shinier leather is going to basically dress up those jeans a little bit more. The more matte finish of that leather in terms of a boot, it's going to make it and the entire outfit look more casual, right? But this outfit, I absolutely love. I feel like a cool, hip, sexy, actually, nothing. I just feel sexy. Black Chelsea boots, medium wash jeans, and the cable knit turtleneck. The V-neck sweater, also an amazing option to instantly elevate the aesthetic of a pair of denim, right? Combine it with some pair of nice shoes or some badass, sexy Chelsea boots, and you are killing it. If Pumpkin Spice Latte had an outfit, it would be this outfit because it's warm, sexy, perfect for fall, and expensive, all right? Here's the deal. The outfit, amazing. Chelsea boots, went with suede because suede adds a richness, texture, and elevation to denim. And then, boom, the sweater. You like that? The fall color, the green sexiness, gentlemen. This is from Collars & Co. Yeah, I told you. Don't wait. Hit the link. Comes in a bunch of colors. Merino wool long sleeve polo, also a devastatingly perfect option for dressing up with jeans. Now, I could go loafers, I could go boots, but instead for this outfit, I saw these and I'm like, yo, they're awesome, all right? They're a suede sneaker, right, with the brown sole, so it really works well with this rich, sexy outfit. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is wearing a sport coat with jeans and a button-up shirt, all right? So this is a classic look. Now, in terms of making sure that you look amazing, I would always go with the classic solid white shirt or black shirt or navy shirt, something solid in color. The patterns are a little bit tricky if you're going to be combining it with some type of pattern jacket. Now, in terms of jackets, you could go with something solid, which makes matching super easy and you look amazing, or you could go with some type of rich, heavy texture. Sport coats with interesting patterns or textures or colors are amazing when combined with the simple white shirt, button-up shirt, jeans, and a great pair of loafers. Now, if you're going to be wearing some type of fun sport coat, I would definitely stay away from wearing like sneakers. I would definitely go with loafers or some type of dressy Chelsea boots. Gentlemen, that's it. The fact is, denim is amazing. Every guy needs it. Now you're going to know how to actually dress it up properly as opposed to your weird Uncle Barry who doesn't do it well. But my mom says I look handsome.